Hello everyone, it's me back again, and this is who Nelson Robles. I'm doing what am I doing? I'm doing exercise 11, module 3. Oh, well, it's module 2 actually, but this is chapter 3. That's what gets me confused all the time. So I'm doing this in English because I'm focused. I don't know, just fucking want to. Anyway, so let's move on. What we're doing now is we're configuring this quotas. And how do you configure this quota? Well, it's simple. You need to have volume. All right, we have this volume in here. But we're going to come and go into disk management. You see, I do remember shit. We're gonna come into disk management because we don't have a volume to fucking do anything with. All right, so we're just gonna create one real quick. We're gonna take this one and we're gonna online it. We need to online it, and after we online it, then you have all that. All right. So now I'm gonna create a simple volume because this is the quickest one to create, and we're gonna just do half. We're gonna do 5 and then 50 and then 000. That's the amount. All right. It's a 5 with 4 zeros. Zeros, zero, zero. I have one extra zero. There you go. And I'm gonna assign this e volume shit to it, and I'm gonna just move on with my life, right? There needs to be, this is our requirement. If the file system is not NTFS, then it's not gonna work. You cannot do this quotas with anything else. You cannot do REFS or anything. It needs to be that. So I'm gonna click finish. So something that they have, because something that is not clear to me, like I just said it, right? But they said that it was not possible with FAT32. So, but we are not sure if we cannot do it with ReFS. So we're just gonna do another ReFS and fuck it. Alright. Now that this is formatted and they're mounted on the respective labels, so the which is which? The NTFS is the E1 and the ReFS is the F1. So we're gonna come into this one, which is the one we need to know the most for, right? It's just that there's some shit taking space. I don't know what the fuck that is. So we're gonna right click it and we see nothing in here. We need to click properties, like just so you know. So I click properties on this, and here we have a quota. Can I do properties for this one too? Okay. So here's side by side. This is the NTFS and this is the other one. So you can't even NFS share a ReFS thing. You can't even share it. But the NTFS one, we can do quota. So we're gonna go quota on that. We're gonna click on this and we're gonna read whatever this says because I'm just eyeballing it. Okay, so we're going to quota. We click on quota and then we enable the quota. Okay, we need to enable quota management. And then if we click on that, this is pretty intuitive, right? This is for the whole thing label. So you can, if you click on deny, then no user can go above that unless you need to define it, right? Unless you need to specify, right? But we're not gonna click that. We're gonna limit space to. We're gonna change to megabytes, and we're gonna change it to 750 with the warning level to 700. So when you get to 700, it's gonna tell you, hey, you're getting to the limit now, big boy. Okay, so we can log it if we want to log it, but we don't want to log it like what for? Uh, if we're limiting disk space. And now we're gonna go into quota entries. Quota entries is what allow us to select limit to a specific users. So this is where it come, right? And this is the basic quota entry. We're gonna click on that. We're gonna click on apply. You should enable quota system when you intend to use quota on this volume. When you enable the quota system, volume will be raise cancelled. Yeah, just whatever, bro. So we're gonna click on quota entries, and now we have, this is the new entry that we just probably did in it. Because you see, if we denied space and we apply it and we go into quota entry, then I still don't see shit. But it was supposed to see something. Anyways, I see some users. Oh, the thing is that I have a quota, but this is quota for the thing. This quota is not. It kind of applies to this, but it says like you have no limit or shit. And the NA in the percentage is going to limit the administrator account, which by default has no limit. Okay, that's why I have an A, and I have no limit. And then the system in and of itself has no limit. That's it, right? So then, uh, if I click on this, right, and then I can select a new user, but I don't think I have any new user. Let's just click on advanced because I think I created one before. So I'm just gonna click on find now. Okay, so just gonna go to with guest, right? Because I think I deleted it before that. Okay, so I'm gonna click on OK for this. Okay, and I'm gonna click on do not limit because this is what the practice is. Now it says, hey, this user has no limit and it has used no space at all. So now we're gonna go back inside and we're gonna set a limit for this specific guy. We're gonna set it. This is the umbrella limit. So if we just this is what was by default because this is what's by default for everyone. If someone comes in and uses this, then you're gonna see that it has a limit. But I have no way to going back and guess I have to enable the account and shit. So I'm not gonna do that right now. Right now, what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna click apply on this, and then you click on OK, and now you see that percent use is 0, but the limit is 750, and it's gonna give me a warning if I get to 700. That's the way that it is. Okay, so this is it. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to remove it, there's an ad thing here. You remove shit from it. Okay, you want to remove it? You removed it. Awesome. Alright, so this is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Focus, subscribe if you want to see more amazing videos like this one. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, just go fuck yourself. Bye.